Indian democracy and the democracies of Western countries share fundamental principles of representative governance, the rule of law, and protection of individual rights. However, there are some key differences and nuances in the way democracy is practiced in India compared to Western countries. Here are some points of distinction. 1. Diversity and pluralism. India is characterized by its incredible diversity in terms of languages, cultures, religions, and traditions. Managing this diversity is a unique challenge for Indian democracy. While Western countries also have diversity, it may not be as pronounced or as encompassing as in India. 2. Federal structure. India follows a federal system of governance with a strong emphasis on state autonomy. The constitution delineates powers between the central government and individual states. Western countries, the federal structure in Western democracies may differ in terms of the balance of power between central and regional governments. 3. Parliamentary system. India follows a parliamentary system with the president as the head of state and the prime minister as the head of government. The prime minister is usually the leader of the majority party in the Lok Sabha, lower house of parliament. While some Western countries also have parliamentary systems, others, like the United States, have a presidential system where the head of state and head of government are separate roles. 4. Role of religion. Religion plays a significant role in Indian politics due to the country's diverse religious landscape. Identity politics based on religion is not uncommon. Many Western democracies, particularly in recent times, tend to emphasize the separation of religion and politics. 5. Economic development. India is still classified as a developing country, and economic development remains a significant challenge. Socio-economic disparities are substantial. Most Western democracies are economically developed with higher standards of living, but they also face challenges related to income inequality and social issues. 6. Secularism. The term secularism in the Indian context means equal treatment of all religions by the state. However, the interpretation and implementation of secularism have been subject to debate. Secularism in Western democracies often implies the separation of religion from government affairs. 7. Election systems. India uses a first-past-the-post electoral system, where the candidate with the most votes in a constituency wins. This can sometimes result in a lack of proportionality between votes received and seats won. Electoral systems in Western democracies vary, and some use proportional representation, which aims to allocate seats based on the proportion of votes received by each party. It's important to note that these are generalizations, and there can be variations within both the Indian and Western democratic systems. Additionally, the political landscape is dynamic, and changes can occur over time.